Aloha from Superb Vacations. Royal Caribbean announced earlier this year that it will be finally bringing an Oasis-class ship, the Allure of the Seas, to Galveston, Texas. In order to support one of the world's largest cruise ships, they are also building a brand new $100 million cruise terminal at Pier 10. A render of what the new terminal is supposed to look like when it's finished is in the bottom left corner. The groundbreaking for the terminal took place in August, and now in December you can see the concrete floor of the terminal. Please contact us at reservations@superb-vacations.com or by phone or text at 197-TRAVEL-EZ to book your next cruise. Thank you.